Hello, so right now I'm gonna pick whatever that I wanna eat. Right now, I'm gonna eat this thing. Ponji bar. Durian cream filled vanilla cake bar. Sounds good.
There's another Arabic ready.
So very sweet. It's like it's hurting my throat. I don't like sweet. So I think I'm just gonna pass this to my husband.